What's up everybody? It is Sean here from AudioBiz, and today we're going to get into how to factory reset your Freedom Flex H9 and also set your runtime. So the best practice anytime you're using your Freedom Flex H9 is to do a factory reset before you use it. This way it wipes out any previous settings that you had from your last show. Let's dive in on how to do that. First off, you're going to want to power the fixture up. Once you're fully powered up, you're going to want to hit the menu button and then the down button. This will take you to the factory reset menu. You're going to want to hit enter, and you'll see two little lines appear next to factory reset, and then you can use the up or the down arrow to change it to yes, and then hit enter. And there, you've performed a factory reset. All right, now let's show you how to set your runtime. You're going to hit your menu button and then the down arrow until you get to runtime in the menu structure. You're going to want to hit enter, and it's going to give you multiple options of off, 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, or 12 hours. Pick your option and hit enter. These different options are going to slightly adjust the output of the fixture. So if you've got an all-day event, put it on 12 hours. If you've got a shorter event and want more output from the fixture, try it on 3 or 5 hours. For more information on how to use your Freedom Flex H9, reach out to us at audiobiz.com.